Hello. Our group is group number 7, Tourney team, and our subject is web application development. Come to 9008 under Prof Malek. So I'll be presenting the part 3 authentication release. So in the part 2, we created the CRUD part of the web app where we can create a new tournament and register players without needing to log in. So for part 3, CRUD is only allowed when the user has been registered. So when the user is not registered, it can only view about, tourney team, and display bracket. In create bracket, it cannot see the form where it can create a tournament or add players. The user needs to register. It cannot in the display bracket. You cannot also delete any of the tournaments here. It directs you to the login page, as well as if you um click the create tournament button, it also redirects you to the login page. So when you click the login button, it directs you to the login page. So we will register here instead of the create bracket. So for example, I register a new name. Let's just say admin. So here, yeah. First, we will try to register here button. So when you click the button, which I did a while ago, it brings you to the user registration page, which is this one, where the user can enter the username. What we created, we added admin and password and an email and the name, display name, or the user type. So this will be stored in the MongoDB table. The user can modify this, the names that it can register. So we'll register. Okay, then there's an alert. Uh, Next one is, so now we are logged in. This is our name. So if we log out, we can log in with the name we logged in a while ago. We registered a while ago. There. And then log in. Now we are logged in again. So now that we are logged in, we can see the create. We can now create the names for a tournament. After registration, the user can now create a new single elimination tournament. So this is this one. So for example, second League Legends for the type game, computer game. For example, we had so now we can submit it. So that is one of the things that we can do when we're registered. We can also not only see details, but we can also delete. See, now it's gone. There. So there. Can also edit now. Example, violent game. Just kidding. Okay, we're the 1 versus 1. Submit. see, now we can also edit. So the updates for this part 3 release, we also updated the styling of the page. It was fixed and more readable now, as you can see with the contrast of the fonts with the background. And we also use the JSON Web Token for authentication. So when we log out, this will just go back to the login page. So we will just check the code that we have used. So here we use the JSON Web Token for the authentication, which is this one. Required authentication is the web token, and here are the codes that was used for uh, when, for example, we want to display the login page. It returns us to the login, and then it asks for following. It asks for the page where it asks for the name, the display name, the email, as well as for the register, which is this one. It asks for the email. Or for the login, it's just ask for the password and the username. And if it doesn't require user, then it's redirected to the home page. That's all. And that one. And then when you log out, you're redirected to the login. So let's try to log out. Yeah, we're redirected to the login. So when we log in, we are redirected to the bracket list page. That are some of the routings for the part 3. So that's all for the part 3 authentication release. Thank you.